Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to search for media in Gmail chat on your PC, especially with the new updates. If you've ever needed to find a specific image, video, or other media shared in your chats, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features we'll be using. Once you're in Gmail, look for the 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. This icon opens the Google Apps menu. Click on it to see a list of options. In this menu, select Chats. This will take you to the chat interface, where you can manage all your conversations. Now, focus on the left side menu and click on Direct Messages. This option will direct you to your personal chats, where you can find the specific conversation containing the media you want. Next, enter the chat where you believe the media was shared. Once you're in that chat, look for the search icon at the top of the conversation window. It usually looks like a magnifying glass, making it easy to identify. Click on that search icon, and a search bar will appear. Now, type in the keywords related to the media you're looking for. This could be a description, part of the file name, or any relevant context about the media. Once you've entered your search term, hit Enter. Within moments, you'll see results that highlight any messages containing the keywords you entered. This feature makes it incredibly simple to locate specific media files without having to scroll through all your conversations. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to search for media in Gmail chat. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating your digital tools. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.